We have some news just coming in at this point in time. Let's go straight to these developments. The Brezza car has now been traced. It's found parked inside the Al Falah University. Remember, there was hunt on for this particular car, and this third terror car, Brezza, has now been found at the Al Falah University is what we are learning. The hunt was on for this particular car as well. Remember, there is a red EcoSport car and then the Hyundai i20 car that finally exploded. I'm going to go straight back to Anmol, who is at the Al Falah University. Tell us about the role of the third car that was the hunt for which was on for in fact hours together. Anmol.
As you know, from the last many days, the agencies are finding all the cars. As we have told by agency that there are around 5 cars which are used in this trail, and they have found the third one, which is Brezza, inside the Al Falah University's parking. So they will be looking at was this used for transporting the ammonium nitrate or the chemicals which were taken from the university premises, from the university laboratories to Taga and the Dodge village, where we have seen that around more than 3,000 kgs of explosive was found. So the agencies will be looking at it. They have seized also forensic and chemicals and other digital material from the room number 13 and the building number 17, the room which was allotted to Muzammil. And the car, as we are told by, was registered in the name of Shaheen. So they are looking at all the angles, and then they will be connecting the dots to know the trail of the car, where it went, and from where they purchased this ammonium nitrate, which is used for the agriculture purposes. As we are told by our sources, that it was purchased from the various shops near the campuses from Faridabad and the new area. So they will be looking at it, the transport, the route of the car.
I'll come back to you. In fact, in a moment from now, I'll get in a quick word as well from Shreya. Agencies had been looking for the missing third car. Now it's been found. It's linked to the suspects. Shreya, what more details can you share with us as far as this car and the involvement in the terror plot is concerned?
Well, the entire module concerns around 4 cars right now, Sneha. One Swift Desire. That was the car that was also registered in the name of Shaheen, that was being used by Muzammil. That was the car that also, from where they found an assault rifle, then the i20 car that blows up, causes that detonation, and then 2 cars goes missing. The red EcoSport registered in Umar Nabi's name, that was yesterday found from the Kandavli village. Then everyone was looking for the white Brezza car. Turns out it was parked at the Al Falah University itself. Now, this car too was registered in the name of Dr. Shaheen Shahid. Remember, all part of the module. So clearly you can understand the kind of arrangements they had all made. Why cars become important, Sneha? Because remember, one car blew up, causing the detonation and that blast, and that's the reason they cannot leave any car like a loose cannon, because that will also become a security concern, a chapter that needs to be closed before they move ahead with the investigations.
What was this car actually being used for? You know, I understand, and you all have been telling us that possibly for recce, and also, you know, kept aside for escape after the attack was to be carried out. Shreya?
Well, these cars were used, definitely that one thing investigators have told was to transport ammonium nitrate. Apart from that, we are being told that these cars were also used for wrecking. They were also moving around for different locations, Sneha, because one thing that we have been telling since morning, our investigators, because they've also started interrogating officers flowing down to Jammu and Kashmir, those already questioning in the Kashmir police as well, confirming to us that these people had a plan of multiple blasts, series of blasts that they had to carry out. They needed more cars as well. So more second-hand cars is what they were looking out for. We are also being told that they were scurrying for these cars on the online platform. Why so? Because then you could subvert the work of transferring the car ownership on your name. So those are the loopholes they were selectively choosing. They were gathering these cars so that they could use them as none less but weapons. Weapons of terror, weapons of death, because we saw what one i20 car had done. Clearly, if few more of them would have been laden by explosives, turned into these IDs, that could have caused a huge amount of terror across the country by just targeting maybe the national capital. So that's the reason these cars became important. That's the reason the police started hunting for these cars. One by one, they have fortunately now all been traced. The white Brezza, Sneha, has been parked inside the Al Falah University. You can understand that how these people were misusing an educational institution. Bigger question to the university as well. How did they, they absolutely go missing about this. Were there no security cameras? Nothing that saw these cars moving around. The fact that they were also transporting ammonium nitrate in these cars. Bigger question also on the security lapses on the part of the university that will also be questioned now.
Well, absolutely. These are details that we have with us about the cars. The Brezza car that was being now hunted has now been traced inside the Al Falah University. Not one or two, but 4 cars that were in fact being used, and more cars were being, the terrorists were trying to purchase, is what Shreya is telling us, and procure them and use them as weapons in that sense. Shreya, the plot obviously then would be a larger one to create a panic and, unleash terror in the hearts of people living in the national capital. Similar such acts of terror like the one we saw outside the Red Fort would have been carried out by these terrorists in various other parts of Delhi. Shreya.
What we actually do understand about these cars, we've been speaking, and Sneha, if you can just remember and visualize those CCTVs that we have got, the fact that this I-20 car was laden with explosive, it was storing the where and nots of the national capital, including where I'm standing right now at the Connaught Place. Clearly, the kind of planning and the meticulous planning that these people were undergoing to carry out a dastardly attack, that is extremely scary. Now, these cars again become a major point of concern, because one thing that is coming out from these investigations are that these cars were usually exchanged through multiple hands. Why that becomes important? Because remember, even if they would have caught in between, they thought that we can escape easily because the car couldn't immediately be traced back to them. When yesterday that red EcoSport car was first traced, remember we also did unearth that the address it was registered under was a fake address used by Umarun Nabi. So they misused multiple loopholes, and that's the reason we're also saying the Delhi police have these meetings with the car dealers right now to ensure that there are more stringent measures that are taken place, especially about transferring ownership of cars when they are sold out, because that is probably interesting thing that we often miss out in the larger piece of the puzzle, that how minute details like transfer of ownership of cars, a loophole that was used by these terrorists to gain these cars, because these were then to be made into weapons of terror and then spread that attack that they actually had planned across the national capital or probably across different cities. That the investigators will soon unearth, because they have 3 of them who are being interrogated day in and day out by our investigative agencies.
Leave it there for the moment. Shreya Chatterjee getting asked those details as far as the cars here being used by the terrorists to recce and then perhaps to escape. It was a Brezza car and it's now been traced to the Al Falah University.